So big news, everybody. Well, the first part of big news is River's race was rescheduled for tomorrow. So that means that Chevy Epica is now going to be ran tomorrow. I can't wait to send this thing to the scrapyard. You know what? It's been a good little yard car. I got to give it that. And it's been doing really good. It starts up all the time. Just wish the air conditioning worked. Having a little bit of an issue with it, with the floor being covered in water, but I'm not too upset about it. She lost half of its rear quarter panel to Earl because Earl needed a new little bit back there, so she had a little bit of a run-in with a Sawzall back here, but that's okay. Weight reduction, right? But I do have to give it to the Epica. It is running very well, and hopefully it does really good at River's race. Now, I still think River has an issue with too high of speeds at his racetrack. And I know that you guys can say there's no too high of speeds, but when you're hitting 120, 140 kilometers an hour on dirt with cars with no brakes in some of them, I think it's going to be an issue. So hopefully the footage from River's race is phenomenal. I'm expecting some pretty big crashes. I'm expecting some rollovers. I'm expecting some fires. I'm going to bring a fire extinguisher. So yeah, hopefully it's a great day. Now, the other good news is our first demolition derby has actually been announced. September 12th in Aurelia. Now, if you guys don't know, I actually won the Aurelia Summer or Fall Fair last year, but there was only like 30 cars there. I think I was the only Camry, and I bought a pre-ran, pretty beat-up car. And when I left there, the rear bumper was about here. So we're going to try to bring another car back. So we have the car right here. This car here was actually built to go somewhere else. This is the one that we're going to be pulling into the shop to make it so it goes to Aurelia. Some things that we have to do. Gas tank protector has to get smaller. I'm allowed 24 inches, so it will be getting smaller. Right now, I believe it's set up at 32. We will be just quickly pounding the 4 inches out of this and getting it smaller. Passenger door bar has to disappear. So, bye-bye bar. Cage cannot be mounted to the floor. So I'm going to have to pull those bolts out down there. I don't have a bumper on this. You know what? This is a perfect example why I don't mount bumpers to most of my cars, just in case something like this happens. So the bumper will be going onto it. Hood will have to be cut. Threaded rod in the front of it. Yeah, so there's a lot of things that have to be done to this, but realistically I got some time, so we'll be seeing how well this goes. Just making sure there's no beehives in here. I've had kind of bad luck with beehives. So I'm going to be messaging Edge Motorsports, and the head tech is Don Turner, so I'm going to be messaging him a bit and seeing what I can do. Mostly because his rules say the cage can't go to the floor, and in the past I was able to unbolt it, but if he wants me to cut it, I'm not going to be super happy. But if I got to do it, I got to do it, you know what I mean? But yeah, that's right there. What else? Some other questions that I wanted to ask Don. I could have tucked the trunk to go to Don's event, but it's already closed and seatbelted shut, so it fits, it sits, it's done. So one of his rules is you can either have a back window bar or a gas tank protector, and honestly I like gas tank protector more than I like back window bar, so you guys know which one I'm going to go with. Halo, you're allowed, you're just not allowed the passenger door bar, but he has come in with a new set of rules for 2020, and I'm going to have to read through them because pretty much this is my first event of 2020, so stay tuned guys. We will be going through these rules very shortly with Don. And actually, to be honest, I'm probably going to go through them by myself. I'm going to read a little bit of them, and then I'm going to question Don if I have any questions. So, but anyway, let's get this Epica started up and on the trailer. My Lexus is already there, and River's already told me that my Lexus is not in the same shape as it was when I left there. So I wonder what he's done to my Lexus. I need to steal some parts off that Lexus for Earl. Mostly electric motors and door switches, but oh my god, does this car smell bad. Oh, turn those off, put these windows down. Oh my goodness. She is one stinky pond sweat car. Oh, those wheel bearings. Okay, so just back up, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Oh! What did I hit? You want my insurance information? No? Okay. Let's keep going. So I've already got the trailer all kind of jacked down. Ready? Don't knock over that monster. By God, do not knock over my monster, Zach. Oh! There we go. Trailer wasn't low enough to hit the subframe. Keep coming, keep coming. A little bit of a burnout, that's good. There we go. One thing that I absolutely hate about this Daewoo, so you're in drive, you go to reverse. You can't go to reverse, you gotta push down and go to reverse. You know what I say to that? Ugh! That's right. Damn you, Daewoo. Oh. So we got this Daewoo loaded now. Now we just gotta tie it down and get ready for Rivers race. It's been so long since I've done a demolition derby. I've almost forgot some things. Bringing a booster because Rivers says my Lexus is dead. I guess they turned the key on and killed it. We have the wife's helmet because she is actually running the Chevy Epica, the Daewoo, the Chevy Epic. And then we have my helmet. We got my neck brace. The wife doesn't like to wear neck braces. I don't know if I'm going to wear this or not, but it's my back protector. I got hurt and beaten in 2016, 2017. So ever since then, I like to wear that back brace. But it's been so long since I've been to a demolition derby, I've actually forgot about a lot of these things. You guys got to make sure that you're bringing proper equipment. With almost all of 2020 off, it's kind of easy to forget just the simple things. So I did install a GoPro mount inside this car. I'm going to get the wife to help me tighten it down tomorrow. But I was thinking about carrying this video to Rivers tomorrow, but because I've been running so low on content, I think I'm going to call this video here, guys. So make sure you guys come back tomorrow-ish for the prelude of Rivers race. We're going to be going through all the shitty racers that he has, the shitty cars that he has, the shit boxes is what he calls them. If you guys remember, I told you I was going to be growing this awesome mullet until the first time I go to a demolition derby. Now I do not consider Rivers race a demolition derby, so the mullet will not be disappearing. But maybe if this September 12th derby doesn't get canceled like almost every other derby has in Ontario so far this year, the mullet might be disappearing, boys and girls. Oh, look how majestic that mullet is. But thanks for watching, everybody, and hopefully within the next month or so I can have this mullet taken off. It's nice and all, but I miss the buzz cut. I've been buzz cut my whole life and I'm not used to this mullet. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you guys come back very shortly to check out the prelude for Rivers race. And the wife will be running this, and I will be having my lifted Lexus there. So thanks for watching, guys and girls. See you back here tomorrow.